What's up, Touswar? Let's get this started. Two trades last night, both his stop loss. So I need a turnaround on a Wednesday. Hey, what's up, back? What's going on, Aid? Hey, what's up, Mark? Alexa, turn off. Alright, you're okay. Alright, you're okay. Just what I'm looking for. What happened? What the fuck happened? I believe we got a bearish divergence also. Bearish divergence. Yeah. That wick is clearly above a zone. Oops, where did... Get this shit calculated. Risk 100. Now let me let's look at the 4 hour before I enter this trade. Yeah, price loves this area. We also have bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Hey, what's up, Cartman? Thanks for the follow there. Yeah, look at that. 4 hour bearish divergence on a major zone. So I'm sold on the 4 hour. We're definitely on resistance. And there's not much else to look at it. Just gotta find the TP now. Gotta find a TP. Pretty good, Real G. Not worried. Not worried about crypto. We'll be back. Now this is where it's going to be tricky because I'm not like, I don't want to go for 1.5 hour. I want to find a better support zone than this area. Alexa, turn off. Yep, AJ Flint back for round 2. I mean, Abby, 2.5 hours, not bad. Gotta find out exactly where my stop loss. Alright, you know, we'll trade about a stand. We'll just trade a standard lot. So I'll go for 2 hours here. Alright, moving on. Find another setup. Euro Chef. Ooh. Missed one a couple hours ago. That would have been a good one. Yep, soy mat. I played a little bit of poker after I got off streamer today. Went down to the poker room. Bought him for 200. I left after 2 hours. And I had 524 bucks. So I might be playing a lot more poker. Euro GBP. We tried to sell this yesterday. Maybe, no, it wasn't yesterday. It was Monday, I believe. Yeah. I remember this. I tried to sell this candle. Just checking if there's going to be any divergence anywhere. Maybe from this point. No. Never mind. No divergence on that. But I think it has a good chance to fall. We'll come back to Euro GBP. Because a good TP would be here at this pink line. Or down here. Alright, let's look at the daily candles. I remember this one. Odd Chef, we looked at that one on Monday. Yeah, TP. GBP Chef 15 minute. I spy a bearish flag. Yeah, we got a bearish flag on GBP Chef on that 15 minute. TP would be down here. Yeah, bearish flag on GBP Chef. Good chance it's just gonna drop from here, break this flag out. Go down for 5 Rs. So I think GBP Chef is a sell. Gotta find a TP. TP would be about 2 hours. I mean, if I wanted to get a little frisky, I could do something tight like 3 hours, but that's not giving it much room. Yeah, I think GBP Chef is a sell. So I'm going to sell. TP down at the next zone. Let's move on. We're in 2 setups. Ooh, look at this. USD Chef, a daily Kangaroo Tail. With plenty of room to the left. I mean, we're talking about room to the left for days. Yeah, it's on a clear support zone. Where's the spread at? USD Chef looking really, really good. Got some bullish divergence. Yeah, bullish divergence. Bullish Kangaroo Tail. We're on a zone. This could be a big one. This could be for 7 hours. This could be for 7 hours. This could be the home run trade of the fucking week right here. Good Life, did you, so you actually already bought? You already noticed this kangaroo a couple hours ago? With this one, you could actually get away at the tighter stop loss. Like, yeah, I would put TP up here too. Oops. I almost just want to do a stop loss right below here, this 4-hour body. Yeah, I'm going to buy. We are going to buy USD Chef. So I need to do 0.64 lots. .66. I don't want to do 6.6. I'll do 6.5. 6.6 could be some bad luck. Stop loss there. TP up here at the next zone. And we'll go for 6 Rs up there. Very nice, good life. Yeah, everybody in this stream right now, you should buy USD Chef. You got bullish divergence. You got a bullish Kangaroo Tail. It's on the daily. It's on support. There's room to the left since, let's see, last time price has even been there is back in February. So these are our 3 trades running right now. We sold EuroCAD. Let's go back to it. Review it in case you did not see my earlier entries. So, wait a minute. Did I enter on the 15-minute or 30-minute? What was it? Okay, it was on the hourly. Entered because there's an hourly Kangaroo Tail. There's bearish divergence. TP is down here in the zone. Right in here. Next trade we did a GBP Chef. It's not there anymore. We entered GBP Chef on the hourly, I believe. Yeah. Well, there's an hourly bearish flag. I believe we entered on the third. Was it the 30-minute or was it the 15? Yeah, we entered out this kangaroo right here. In anticipation. In anticipation that this would break. And just fall. Boom. Just going for 2 hours there. 2 hours on that trade. And then 2 hours on this trade, but the big one, USD Chef, we're going for 7 hours at the next daily zone. And I see a bullish flag on the 15-minute. Or some kind of flag, whatever. Since it's on the daily, I'm not too worried about that back. Plus, we're going into the London session, so I mean, I could get stopped out, but it's a pretty nice setup how it is. Divergence, Kangaroo Tail on support. 3 good confluences. But who knows? I mean, they're good. I mean, if I reduce my stop loss, I'm only gonna probably get like 2 Rs out of that. And I already have 2 other 2R trades. I mean, you could get a better entry if you think it's gonna drop more and do a buy limit. But how much better of an entry can we get? Let's see. Let's just see. I mean, if you enter here, if you enter where my stop loss is with the buy limit, then you could get away with like 7 or 8 Rs. I mean, the best entry would be at the end of this tail, but at that point, that might look like a busted kangaroo tail. There's sound testing, testing. So, but back to answer your question, you could get a better entry. Do I think it's worth it to see if price will go down on this tail? No, because that's why our stop loss is there. But you could, if you're unsure, just do a buy limit a little bit lower than me. Like right in this area. I mean, how many pips is that though? Let's see. I mean, you might be able to get a better entry like between like 5 or 10 pips. We probably don't know who the best forex trader in the USA is. All I know is the big whales. They're not on YouTube or Twitch. They're sitting behind the desk. Yeah, if it drops more, like if it starts dropping before London, I mean, my bias would be it's probably gonna just keep dropping. But like, look how many times it's rejected. Like, look, it touched here. Over in this area, went straight up. Came over here, went straight up. Came back down again, went straight up. So it's safe to assume we could see this go up. This one might take 2 or 3 days though, honestly. Yeah, it could be a 2-day trade. Oh, GBP Chef is approaching stop loss already. Okay, that's not good. It's bouncing off that flag. Trend line. Might have to consider moving my stop loss a little bit higher since it moved this far against it already. But if I do that, then my risk reward is going to be less than 2 Rs. What's up, Tim A? Which one, Awakening? This was GBP Chef. The one I was looking at before is a USD Chef. Let's see how price reacted when it's been on this zone before. Here there was a Kangaroo Tail right here on the daily. Below our same support zone. As soon as I hit this area over here, I went straight down. See how many, let me see how many R's it would be if I had a TP. That would be like a 2 or 3 week swing trade though. Oh, GBP Chef going back down. Ah, interesting. Turned red. Could be interesting. This one could hit TP fairly quick. If this next candle closes as a decent bearish candle. Might be able to see a TP within the next hour or two. Best Forex broker. You could check out the guys I use. You can check those guys out, see if you like them. Guys, I think that's it for the setups for tonight. We went through everything. There was one that was closed on GBP JPY. USD JPY, nope, not impressive. Well, if all 3 of these trades tonight hit TPs, we're looking at $1,100. I'm basically risking 300 to get 1200. Interesting. No, I've never had any withdrawal issues. They've been around for 10 years. They're regulated out of ASIC. They have another regulation in St. Vincent. Oh, I can talk about Bitcoin's Kangaroo Tail. Bitcoin had a Kangaroo Tail on the daily. It's been going up ever since. EuroCAD's a really good setup. I'm feeling the vibes on that. Hell yeah, Nathan. There's no one out there doing regular live streams like this. Yep, step 1, don't follow the guys flashing those Lambos. Step 2, follow people who live stream. I don't win a lot yet, but people still enjoy watching my streams. Because I keep that shit real. These streams are basically daily vlogs. That's what they are. Daily vlogs of a person trying to learn to become a professional level trader where they can trade for a living. You're okay? Trying to drop already. I'm like, why the fuck do people gotta charge to do their little secret Zoom meetings? Where they're not actually on MetaTrader, they're just on TradingView. So we're almost out of drawdown on USD Shuff and EuroCAD already. Thanks for that follow there, Timmy. I think I gotta do another troll video and call out the scammers again. Like if I do a scammer video on anybody, they're gonna message me because they're bitches. They're little bitches and they're gonna cry. Like that dude Mamba. He sent me about 25 messages on Instagram. He even tried to call me. People who are legit won't give a fuck if someone's trying to call them out like that. But a scammer, something hits them in the nuts, yo. Alright, y'all, I think I'm just gonna hop off here now. I mean, we're in 3 trades. I don't think we need a 4th. 3 trades is plenty. Yep, a buck. They're making a circus out of it. I got to thinking, how is following someone to Lambo going to help you as a trader? Fastest way to get a Lamborghini is to sell courses telling people how they can be rich like you were, except you just gotta lie. There's actually a training course out there that teaches you how to scam people. It's like it's a $500 course teaching you how to be a scammer creating courses. Yeah, for sure, good life. Yeah, AJ Flint arrested him pretty good. He's pretty butthurt about the calling him out about the drug dealer. Oh yeah, that guy Jackpot. That dude's hilarious. I saw one of his deals. He had like fucking 100 trades open. Jeremy Cash was another one. Jeremy Cash doesn't even use stop losses. But people love him. There's a cult for every audience. My growth is slow because we're not doing cult shit. I mean, I'm just basically looking at the chart, looking at Kangaroo Tails. If I see a trade, I enter it, and that's it. Yeah, I think I've heard of Brian Watt. I think people love scammers so much because they want to get out of their situation so bad they become colorblind. They don't see colors, they're just seeing in black and white. They got the tunnel vision. They're not seeing what's on the reality. They're not seeing the full color spectrum. JS, I've been using Ingot for the last year. I mainly use them because of the indice trading. They got smaller lot size values for the indices, US 30, NASDAQ, S&P. One micro lot, you only need $3 a margin for the indices. Pip value is on one micro lot, it's just 0.001 cent per pip, which means 100 pips would be 10 cents. So lets anybody with any account size trade indices. Some of the forex spreads are a little bigger on some pairs, but I mean, there's always going to be pros and cons to whatever broker you use. Yep, I'm out too, AJ Flint. I'm going to hop off now, guys. Thanks for tuning in tonight. Let's see how these trades do by tomorrow. And maybe, just maybe, one of these 2-hour trades will hit TP in the next couple hours. But USD Chef, expect that to take 2 or 3 days. Yep, exactly. The scammers, they tell people what they want to hear, but they aren't going to be willing to put in the real work it's going to take. Yep, later there, Xanath. Yep, good night there, Babak. Yeah, for sure. You're welcome, Jazz.